We have a Romualdez during the first Marcos admin, yung tatay nitong si Martin Romualdez, who is the biggest crony of the first Marcos regime. And then you have Martin Romualdez, now the Speaker of the House, the oligarchs of all the oligarchs, because he wants his hand in every industry now. And in fact, I would argue yung NGCP na arrangement na yan, he probably has interest in it as well, no? At ang mga malalaking negosyante nga, mayroon ng bagong termino kay Martin Romualdez, monogarch. He wants to be the monogarch, no? Yung pinaka-oligarko sa lahat ng mga oligarko. Yun ang sabi-sabi nila. So therefore, ito po ay babantayan natin at talagang susuportahan natin ang mga kapatid natin na nasa militar because they know, no? They know what this government is doing to the Filipino people. They know what this government is doing to the AFP, no? Kung saan tinapyasan yung mga budget, ang kanilang modernization ay tinanggalan ng 15 billion at parang Consuelo de Bobo is an additional 200 pesos of subsistence allowance na ipinagyabang pa ni Martin Romualdez na nag-livestream pa when he called itong si AFP Chief Browner.